I couldn't figure out if I wanted to sit or not.
Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a quick
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I, today I am doing a quick review on Glossier's holiday set that just came out. Also, I am doing a giveaway because I just happened to get a second package and it was due to a few issues with my shipping, so I ended up getting a replacement package. So I wanted to do a giveaway because I feel like I never give you guys a giveaway. Okay, it comes with the scarf. This is my first time, so pretty much this is gonna be like my first impressions with you guys. This is like such a pretty color. OMG. Yes, such a pretty color. You guys don't even know. This is so pretty. The scarf is so pretty, you guys. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. I have an idea on the Glossier Instagram page. There is a girl who like did a braid and then she wrapped the scarf around that braid and it's so pretty. I'm definitely gonna try that. I mainly got the holiday set for the necklace and it was a limited time only. So pretty. Necklace, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I got the set because I loved the necklace that was in there. If anyone knows me, I truly love simple necklaces. Pops open. Oh, that's pretty. Oh. That is gorgeous. So excited. And the price for the holiday set is, I believe, $74 or $75. I'll list it down below as well. The gloss by itself is, I believe, $14, which is a reasonable price. You're getting a good amount of product for what you pay. So for the necklace, you cannot buy it on its own. You do have to buy it with the set. Let me tell you a little bit about their glosses. Their glosses is very, they feel really thick when you first put it on, but they definitely last for a good amount of time when you put these on. So that's what I love about Glossier lip glosses, is that they always have like great formulas. Their color selection or their shade selection is really pretty. They have red, they have clear, they also have, I think it's holographic. That one's really pretty too. I have every single one and I truly love their lip glosses. Okay, so I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the lip gloss. I really love the lip gloss. So more than likely, I will definitely put a brown because I personally love brown looks on me. It just looks like it shines. Like it's a really, with Glossier, everything is always so subtle, which I love. So this is like $14. The necklace is gorgeous. I will say I struggled struggled to put this on. That would be the only thing that I would change about that. But other than that, I truly love this gloss. It's really pretty. I don't know how often I'll use it, but I'll probably definitely use it with a brown. So to win the giveaway, you have to follow my Instagram, like a picture on Instagram, share this video, and then comment done in this video in the comments below. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me. It's at Mrs. Beauty, MISSYZBEAUTY, and I'll spell it down below. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I didn't get to end the video yesterday, so I'm ending the video today. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on my social media at Mrs. Beauty.